guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be reviewing this sponge for you guys. Instylish sent me this sponge to review for you guys. If you guys missed my other video reviewing the other sponge that I did from them, I will put a link right up here if you guys missed that video. I'm so excited to try out this sponge because I really do love this sponge. They're very strong, they're very affordable, it's not expensive. This sponge is only $8, and also I have a discount code for you guys. If you guys want to support your girl, I will put it right here. So if you guys use the code SHINEN15, you get 15% off. Put all the information in the description box below. So this is the sponge here. The sponge comes in this nice box. So this is a Heart of Ocean sponge, and girl, I'm looking at the sponge right now. I'm in love actually. But I love sponge that gets all the way in my little areas that a regular sponge can't. I'm sure that it will do the job really good. So this is the sponge here, what the box looks like. So it's also a blue sponge, so you guys have an idea. So the instruction says you have to wet your makeup sponge, gently dab into the skin. You also have to wash your sponge frequently, which I do, and it's only one sponge in here, and this sponge was made in China. So I wet the sponge just to make it a little bit more easier. So this is what the sponge looks like. I like the way that it's shaped, especially these ends here, and this is the other side. So this is a full face makeup sponge, and it's Heart of Ocean. It has a lot of good reviews, and if you guys want 3 of the sponges is $16.99, and if you guys only want 1 is $7.99. On the website you can see they give you like little instructions of how you can use the sponge, and they also show you when it's dry and when it's wet. Also when it's wet, it's like really big, you can see. So it's a perfect fit for the face, and it's 8 edges, fit every curve of your face. One sponge is full face makeup. So we're gonna do a full face using the sponge. I really do love to use this side, you know, to get all the way here. So I'm going to use it with all the products that I have, especially the setting powders, my concealers and stuff like that. So I'm going to be using my favorite products that I really do like to use right now, and we're going to see. It's summertime now, so my skin usually give me a lot of issues. I have a lot of like dry spots on my face, little patches, and this really works for dry skin. This is Cetaphil, and it's maybe like $17 for it. Really expensive. It really do help for the dry skin, and I really use this more in the summertime. And also I'm gonna be using this primer. This is from e.l.f. and this is a Puff Puff primer. They're really good on their skin products. I'm just gonna spray my face with my favorite Fix Plus spray right now, and this is a Glass Glow Fix, and I'm just gonna spray a little bit. So my favorite foundation right now, this is from Ombre Beauty. Really do like it, girl. I tried it out in another video. This is the Say What foundation, and this is T1W. Okay, I'm gonna use this side right here. This is the amount that I'm gonna put, and I'm just gonna put it here. That this sponge blend out really nice, and it's really soft. It has a little dent in the middle of it, which is okay. I do like the dent of it. Like, it's soft, it blends out really nice as well. You see, I'm just like damping it in. I do like the dent in it. It's like, you see, it's soaking up some of the foundation, which is good. When I use a brush, I would have to go back again because sometimes like it's too heavy on my face, but with the sponge it works pretty good. I do love how it's blending out my foundation. So I'm gonna take it up. So I'm gonna take the flat side over here, and I'm just going to try to blend all over the face again where I miss any product, so it could smooth it out because this side is a little too small. Okay, so this is the amount of the product I'm gonna put on my face. I'm not gonna put too much. I think that this blend out the product really nice. Flawless, right? So what I really do like about this, it don't observe the product like other sponge you guys could see, because this foundation is a full coverage foundation, and you guys could see I do like it with this sponge a little bit more because it absorbs the product. I just want to make sure that I get on my nose, cause girl, it's just, my nose is just something, I don't know what it is, so not a lot of product is gonna be on my face, and I hope you guys could see that. And it actually blending out the product really nice as well. You see that it gets in the corners, and like you guys could see, like the sponge is like really soft, so you can see that it's not hard. So I'm going to be using this concealer here. This is from e.l.f. and this is one of my favorite concealer from them, and this is a hydrating concealer, and this is the shade Deep Cinnamon. For the concealer, I'm going to be using this side here. Let's just see how it blends out. I just want to come up a little bit closer so you guys can see. I'm really impressed with this. And as you guys know, like, I really don't like a lot of product on my face. It just smoothing out the product on my face, you guys can see. Look at this girl, like it gets all the way in the corners. So what I do is I use this side right here, and then coming back down on the other side of my eyes, I use the other end. Wow, I think I like this one better than the first one they had sent me. So I'm gonna use the same side, and I want to set this before the product move. I'm using my e.l.f. setting powder, and this is one of my favorite now, girl. I've been saying that for the longest. You guys have to get your hands on this, and this shade is medium. I think they have light, medium, and dark. I just cannot put this down. I don't know why. It's just blend into the skin really good. And all I'm doing is that I'm just putting a little bit around the nose. You guys see this? You guys see how well it's just blending everything in the skin? This is a really nice sponge. So I'm going to be using one of the Makeup Revolution foundation stick, but I use this for contouring because it's a little too dark, and this is F18. I'm going to take a bit and just... So we're going to use this side here, and let's just see how it blends it out. I may switch on the other side, and you guys could tell like it's really blending it out fast. It's just absorbing to the skin really fast and seamlessly. I'm going to be using my favorite right now. This is from Makeup Revolution, and this is a sculpting bronzer. So first we contour, and now we're going to bronze the face to set this girl because it's just going to move. I'm going to be using this brush from BH Cosmetics. And also I'm just going to like bring up the product a little bit. Can't use a sponge for this step, so we have to use a brush. And this is a CC Perfecting Pressed Powder. I'm just gonna use that for half of the face, and then I'm gonna use another powder for under the eyes because I want to like lighten up that area. So I'm gonna be going with this brush. This is from BH Cosmetics. You guys know that. And this is #1 brush. I don't know what collection is this, but you guys see the angle. I'm just gonna place it just around the face, okay? This is not cheap, it's expensive, but it's a great product, and I do like to use it for all over the face, but I'm just gonna focus it under the eyes today. And this is from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is her Airbrush Flawless Finish Micro Powder, and girl, it's a beautiful finish powder. It's expensive, very expensive. I think it's just around $45 to $55, but Everybody was talking about it, and you know I had to go get it my fast self. I like it right under the eyes because it just gives my under eye a flawless finish. And of course, BH Cosmetic brush. And also I'm gonna put it on the nose. Like, if you guys could get your hands on this product, like really guys, just get it, because you're not gonna be disappointed at all. Alright guys, so this is the final look. So I just want to share with you guys what I use off camera. So I use this from the Frontal line, just, you know, a little highlighter, not too much. I just use After Snack and More Honey. I mix them together just to get a soft look. Plus that I use it also from Fenty, and you guys know summertime is my lip gloss time. I just like wearing lip gloss in the summertime. And this is what I use. This is hot chocolate from Fenty. As you guys know, I'm very honest when products are sent to me. So this is one of the best sponges that I've used from their collection. This is my second time working with this company, and girl, I loved it. What I really do like about the sponge, it gives a nice flawless finish. Also, when you wet it, it's not a lot of water in there. It just soaks up whatever in this. Like, I don't know what it is, but this sponge is like the bomb. I really do like this sponge. It just gives my face a very nice flawless finish. As you guys could see, like, if you guys seen my video on the foundation, you guys will understand where I'm coming from. Now the foundation came out a little bit more on the yellow side when I used it the last time, but now because I use this sponge, I could see a difference. So it all depends on what applicator you use for your foundation. I'm gonna come up a little close so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. You guys see that, girl? And then all the other stuff that I use is just my favorite that I like using. Like I said in the beginning, I have a discount code for you guys. The discount code is Sheinin. You could save 15% on the website. Also, if you guys want to get 3 other sponges or 2, you get, I think it's like $16 for it. But one of the sponges is only $8. So if you guys want to support your girl, I will put a link in the description box below. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter, everything will be listed in the description box below. But thank you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye.